This is a very brief explanation of the first angle projection. Since we'll use the third angle projection only, you may skip this video, but knowing the difference between the two may help in identifying the drawings using a different standard such as the ISO standard. The object is located in the first quadrant. In this case, instead of projecting the image, imagine you observe the object in a certain direction and draws what you're seeing on the paper attached on the wall behind the object. So in this case, the object is between the paper and the observer. In the third angle projection, the glass plate comes between the object and the observer. Then the walls are unfolded on the front plane as in the third angle projection case. But notice that the images and their locations are different from the third angle projection. In short, here's the difference between the drawings made by the third angle projection and the first angle projection for the same object. On the left is the one with the third angle projection. The front, right, and the top views are laid out in the L shape. On the other hand, the first angle projection shown on the right, the top view is under the front view, and instead of the right side view, the left side view from the third angle projection is located on the right side of the front view. So around the front view, all the view locations are completely opposite. As mentioned earlier, each view is not labeled to indicate if it is a side view or top view. If you think a drawing is made in the third angle projection method and send it to the manufacturer, but the manufacturer interpreted it in the first angle projection method, you will receive a mirror image part. So, how do you know if a drawing is using the first angle projection method or third angle projection method? To avoid the confusion, each drawing must clearly indicate which method is used by one of the symbols shown. In the drawing, there's a table on the lower right corner, and the table is called title block. The title block includes important information about the drawing, such as the drafter's name, date, company name, tolerances, etc. And one of them is the symbol for the projection method used. Here, the symbol on the left is for the first angle projection, and the third angle projection symbol is on the right. The shape of the symbol is two views of a truncated cone.